Hi, hello. I'm Markshan T. Suarez from CP1182, and this is my e-portfolio. Proper use of tools. ESD tools. What is anti-static wrist strap? An anti-static wrist strap, also known as an ESD wrist strap or a ground bracelet, is an anti-static device that is used to properly ground a person who is working with highly sensitive electronic equipment in order to prevent the development of static electricity on their body, which can cause ESD. Proper use of anti-static wrist strap. Wear the strap with the metal part touching your skin. Turn your power supply off and plug the power cord to the outlet. Clip the alligator clip on a power supply screw, or you could have it clipped on the grills of the PSU fans and check that if clipped firmly. Once everything is set right, you should have an assurance that you are grounded and that any charge should be dissipated right away. Anti-static mat. What is anti-static mat? A flat surface that a keyboard or other electronic device can rest on or a person can stand on in order to discharge static electricity. The mat is either grounded or treated in such a manner that is absorbed static electricity. Proper use of anti-static mat. Place an anti-static mat on the desktop surface of a workbench. Plug the grounding connector attached to the mat into the wall socket. If the mat is equipped with only an alligator clip, proceed to the next step. Place the computer to be prepared on the anti-static mat. Unplug the power cord from the computer. Attach the alligator clip from the anti-static mat onto the metal cases of the computer. Strap an anti-static wrist strap on your wrist. Attach the alligator clip on the wrist strap to the anti-static mat. You are now ready to work on the computer. Hand tools. Flathead screwdriver. What is a flathead screwdriver? A flathead screwdriver is a long-used hand tool that dates back to the 50s. It features a flat-bladed tip for turning, tightening, and loosening screws and nuts. The flat blade screwdriver is a very versatile tool that can be used on a wide range of fasteners and provides great leverage. Proper use of a flathead screwdriver. Use a flathead screwdriver when you're working with a slotted screw. Do not use a flathead screwdriver to remove a Phillips head screw, and never use a screwdriver as a pry bar. If you cannot remove a component, check to see if there is a clip or latch that is securing the component in place. Phillips screwdriver. What is a Phillips screwdriver? A Phillips screwdriver features a cross-shaped head with pointy edges that fit into the cross slots of a Phillips screw. There are 5 distinct sizes of Phillips screwdrivers, spanning from 0 to 4. And proper use of a Phillips screwdriver. Use a Phillips head screwdriver with a cross-head screws. Do not use this type of screwdrivers to puncture anything. This will damage the head of the screwdriver. Tweezers. Tweezers are little tools that are used to pick up things that are small for human fingers to handle. Proper use of tweezers. Proper use of tweezers is it is used to manipulate small parts, used to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for your hand to fit. Cleaning tools. Cleaning tools. Compressed air. What is a compressed air? A compressed air is a mixture of high-pressure gases compressed into a container. Compressed air is a recommended way from cleaning dust and grime from sensitive circuits in computers and gadgets. Lint-free cloth. What is a lint-free cloth? A lint-free cloth is one that is devoid of lint and short fibers that are left behind when you wipe it across any surface. Proper use of a lint-free cloth. A lint-free cloth sprayed with water or rubbing alcohol diluted. Do not squirt cleaner directly on the computer casing. Instead, squirt it into a cleaning cloth and wipe the surface. Cable ties. What is a cable tie? A cable tie is a sort of fastener used to keep objects like electrical cables and wires together. Proper use of cable ties. It's simple. Simply enter the pointed end of the cable onto the locking piece, which is normally in the square head of the tie, and there's a hole in the glass for the pointed end of the tie to go through. It will only operate one way. Diagnostic tools. Diagnostic tools. A multimeter. What is a multimeter? A multimeter is a device that can measure a variety of electrical characteristics. To use it, you need to plug the black probe into the COM port on your multimeter and plug the red probe into the VMA port. Switch on your multimeter and set the dial to continuity mode. The multimeter tests continuity by sending a little current through one probe and checking whether the one probe receives it. Then you can start. Loopback adapter. What is a loopback adapter? A loopback adapter is a network interface that may be used to redirect network data from one program to another on the same computer, but not to any other network device. And if you're installing on a non-network computer, you'll need a loopback adapter to connect it to the network afterward. When you install a loopback adapter, the loopback adapter assigns your computer a local IP address. And we're all done. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.